Mag-unlimited buffet tayo today. Balikan natin itong Enjoy Restaurant where you can feast on these Asian and Western dishes. Good news kasi this time unlimited na raw yung kanilang sashimi. Yes guys, one to sawa na. In the past kasi you can only get one serving of sashimi tapos napansin nila na isa ito sa pinakamadalas i-comment ng customers nila. Nanggaling tayo dito nung bagong open pa lang sila at nakita ko talaga yung sobrang dumog ng tao. So ang ginawa daw nila is they took notes from the comments of their customers during their first few months para mas ma-improve yung service nila. Bukod sa unlimited na yung sashimi, this time yung rate nila na $699 and no hidden charges and no service fee na. Enjoy Restaurant is located sa Global Plaza, Mexico, Pampanga, open daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Maluwag yung parking area at mas madali silang ma-reach kung nanggagaling ka sa NLEX. They can accommodate up to 150 packs and they encourage na magpa-reserve kayo sa page nila para hindi kayo maubusan ng seats. Ang dami ng pagpipilian mong food and I would say isa sa mga pinakasulit na buffet ito for its price. There's a good assortment of vegetables, seafood, and meat. Meron ding salads, soup, sushi, and dessert tapos may nakalaan pang pagkain para sa mga kids. Gustong-gusto ko yung roast beef nila na merong mushroom and maraming gravy that you can pair with their mashed potato tapos meron din silang barbecue ribs. Okay din yung pagkakaluto ng tahong and shrimp tapos meron din sila ng 3 kinds of mushroom na may broccoli. Yun yung mga favorite ko sa mga main dishes nila plus yung kare-kare tapos si mama nakailang balik sa salad kasi ang sarap ng dressing. And since unlimited na yung sashimi, syempre sasamantalahin natin yan. Ang dami rin nilang options ng mga sushi so talagang hindi ka mabibitin. By the way, meron din silang kids rate and they also honor senior citizen and PWD discount. Apart from that, meron din silang birthday promo kung saan makakakain ka ng libre pag may kasama kang 5 full paying adults. Pagdating sa dessert, ang dami mo ring pagpipilian. Merong cakes, crepes, donuts, fresh fruits, and more. Meron din sila nitong mga premium plates that you can avail pag nag-upgrade ka ng additional na 200 pesos. Dito, they will serve this melt-in-your-mouth tenderloin. I requested the perfect medium rare. Tapos may kasama siyang shrimp, mashed potatoes, and their special sauce. Optional lang naman to, pero for those who will choose to upgrade, grabe, sobrang sulit yung 200 kasi solid yung tenderloin, tapos may kasama pa nitong premium dessert.
Their Baked Alaska, specialty daw nila yan. Special ice cream na meron torched meringue on top. Parang marshmallow fluff. Ice cream is frozen solid, tapos warm yung parang marshmallow fluff sa taas. So sarap.
Even during the weekdays, naka-buffet na rin sila. So sana matry nyo rin sila soon and enjoy!